Well, we did it again. We have wrapped another Cybertruck using the limited edition anti-social social club collaboration with our friends at Inozetek. And Cybertruck owners, check out this wrap. This is absolutely insane. Definitely one of my favorites. You all know I love gloss black, and I wrapped my Cybertruck in gloss black. But if I had to choose another color, without a doubt, it would be this film. From every single angle, as you could see as I'm walking around, the camera's walking around, the wrap just changes colors. You see purples and teals and blues and yellows and orange, and it's just wild, right? I mean, I have never seen anything like this in a wrap. However, I will share with you guys that Lamborghini, through their Ad Personam program, and McLaren, through their MSO custom program, offer a paint job that's very similar to this, and you're never gonna guess how much they charge for it. $100,000. And for a fraction of that cost, and a small fraction, you can wrap your Cybertruck, and I actually think it looks even better. I just cannot get enough of it. And anytime we go out in public with a Cybertruck wrapped in this film, the comments, the compliments, the thumbs up, the questions, it's just overwhelming at times, but it's all in good fun. We absolutely love it. I'd love to hear some comments from you guys. What do you think about this wrap? Is it too much? Is the Cybertruck just wild enough and you don't need to go to this extent? I think it's fabulous. Now, some more details about this. As you can see, we went ahead and we did also upgrade the wheels. The customer chose our 24-inch CT7 wheels, fully forged wheels with the Nitto Recon Grappler tire, the perfect fit, finished in brushed satin. This wheel and tire package actually takes the complete exterior transformation to a whole new level. And to top it all off, some details. This is a Foundation Series Cybertruck, and as you could see, we recreated the Foundation Series badging in white for the front two fenders and the rear tailgate area. We chose white because this way it really gets that extra pop. You could really see it. If we would have chosen another color, I don't think it would be recognized, and this customer wanted to share and is a proud owner of a Foundation Series Cybertruck. Thank you so much for watching, Cybertruck fans. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so much more amazing content coming your way soon.